Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to add trusted connection in Roblox. Now, first thing that you should do that you cannot actually do it from the browser. So here I'm opening the browser, and when I click on connect, here it shows me my friends that I have already. But instead of that, you will need to open Roblox Player. So I'm gonna click on Roblox Player, open it. Then after opening it, you should click on connect on the top left side. Then here you should click on add from QR code. And of course, you should verify your age and you should be more than 18. Then after that, it will give you a QR code just like so. If people scan your QR code, then they will automatically apply as a trusted connection and they can add you as a trusted connection. That way, you can also copy your profile link and send it to people. And like I said, they will need to send you a connection request. And if you accept the connection as a trusted connection, then you will become trusted connections. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, useful. And if you find it so, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a good comment and share this video to your friend. Thank you and goodbye.